Hello guys, it's Ahmed and welcome to Recruitable University on today's recruitment program. So we've been going through the second module on niche mastery and we did a few lessons already. So we went through the difference between general recruitment and specialist recruitment or niche recruitment, how to select a niche. Now we'll be going to look at identifying high value niches. How do you know a niche is really high value and it's the right niche for you? So the best way to look at a high value niche is look at the industry growth. Look for the industry that are grown and have the highest demands for talent. Don't look at dying industries. A dying industry, for example, I would say is oil and gas. Oil and gas is not as in high demand as it was before. Now people are looking at renewable energies and sort of different different fields at the moment. So renewable energies and wind farms, etc. So it's that is a really field that is that's really booming and is growing at the moment. And look at other industries that have a high market value. So that is how I look at the industry before you decide which one to go for. How much do they contribute towards the recruitment market value? And so some of the industries that are really busy at the moment is healthcare. And if we look at healthcare recruitment, how much have they contributed towards the market value? 5.1 billion. So in total, the temporary healthcare recruitment agency market is valued at 5.1 billion across the healthcare sector. So that's 11.8 over the last 5 years. So healthcare is a huge market. So, and it's really busy, as we know as well. People are always getting ill. People always need the healthcare, and it's an industry that's not going to be dying for the unforeseeable future. So next one we've got is evaluate the competition in your chosen niche. So look at, is there competition in the niche? If there is, that is a good sign. It shows that they are using agencies. Like I showed you in the previous slide, the best way to look at that is just go on Indeed, look at, let's say, for example, let's just say engineering, and let's see how many jobs we can find on Indeed. Over 28,000 engineering jobs. And you can see about 5,000 agencies. So competition is actually a good sign. It shows you that they are using agencies and you would be very much welcome in that space as long as you're able to deliver. So never look at competition as, okay, this industry is saturated. It clearly shows that there is a demand, there is a need, there is 5,000 agencies working on that demand, and there is no reason why you can't work in that same space too. As long that clients, the way they look at it, and a lot of people, this is one thing they get wrong. They say to themselves, you know, why would a client use my agency? And I've only been trading for a month or two or three. I don't have the same reputation, or I don't have the same industry knowledge as my competitors. But the way you should look at it is clients, they only care if you can deliver. Some wouldn't care if you've been around for 2 years or 2 days. If you've got the right candidates for them and they've got the right skill set they are looking for, they will bite your hand off and take your candidate as soon as they can. So look at the market that you're looking into. Are there other agencies in that field? If there is, great, jump on that field and get a piece of the cake. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I see you on the next one.